Welcome to SEO Checklist plus 10,000 plus high quality backlinks. Here is what's special about this offer for affiliate and your potential to make money. Rank your website on Google top page. Buy high authority backlinks. Full SEO strategy list in a step-by-step manner. Detailed explanation of each step. Video tutorial for every step. List of recommended tools that will help you to get the job done. 10,000 plus backlink source to build easy backlinks. It only has links from reputable sites with higher domain authorities. Dozens of new backlinks opportunities are added weekly. The link to get this AI is right in the description of this video. Are you looking for a way to rank your website on Google top page so you are in the lock? In this review, we will be taking a look at a comprehensive SEO strategy that can help you achieve your goals. The strategy includes everything you need to know, from keyword research to link building. It is also easy to follow, thanks to the detailed explanation of each step and the video tutorial that are included. The first step in SEO strategy is to conduct keyword research. This will help you identify the terms that people are searching for when they are looking for information about your product or services. Once you know that keyword you are targeting, you can start optimizing your website for those terms. This includes things like using the keyword in your title tags, meta descriptions, and throughout your content. Another important part of SEO is linking building. This improves getting other websites to link to yours. The more higher quality backlinks you have, the higher your website will rank in Google search result. The product I'm reviewing provides you with everything you need to know about SEO, including keyword research, on-page optimization, and link building. It also includes a list of recommended tools that can help you get the job done. Pros: comprehensive SEO strategy, detailed explanation of each step, video tutorial for every step, list of recommended tools, 10,000 plus backlink source, only has link from reputable sites with higher domain authorities. Dozens of new backlinks opportunity are added weekly. Cons: some of the information can be bit technically. It can be time consuming to implement the strategies. Overall, this is great product for anyone who want to rank their website on Google top page. It's comprehensive, demand, and easy to follow. Highly recommended it. The link to get to this AI is right in the description of this video. So go to the description of this video and tap and click to download. Thank you for your time.